You want to protect yourself and your loved ones in the event of a car crash, right? Well, I'm a personal injury attorney, and I'm going to tell you a horror story that I see way too often and how you can protect yourself and your family. So years ago, I have a client who wakes up in the hospital and he's thinking, oh, thank goodness that I bought that great automobile policy. So when we get the policy in, yeah, it's great coverage if he had caused the crash. But since he was struck by a drunk driver who didn't have enough insurance, he was mostly stuck with a very, very low settlement from that driver. So how can you protect yourself and your family from something like that ever happening? Pull out a copy of your declarations page. It's usually with your policy, or you can call your agent and ask them to send you a copy. Take a look at the liability limits. That's the coverage that protects you if you cause the crash. Then look to see if you have something called uninsured and underinsured coverage. It's sometimes abbreviated UM/UIM. And you want to make sure that you have that coverage, because that's what protects you from hit and run drivers, drunk drivers, people without enough insurance or any insurance at all. And that situation is more rampant than you would think. So protect yourself. Check your declarations page. Make sure you have UM/UIM coverage. And if you're in Arizona, make sure your UM/UIM limits are in the same limits as liability. Don't let your insurance agent sell you less protection for yourself and your loved ones than they do for protecting the rest of the world.